say, put the gun or put the weapon down with their fingers, because the whole thing is nobody has guns. You're all using your hands. Cool? How's it going, guys?
Good.
And then Cameron being like this,
Yeah.
like with his hands up, like, yo, I didn't mean to.
Yeah. Right.
But then he like sees what's going on and like looks at his gun, and then flips the couch.
These are just more than just bandanas. Oh, this. Oh yeah.
Yeah, the face masks. And they kind of hurt.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's the other way. It's the other way.
Oh, you got your altitude. You gotta.
Ow, my nose.
It's gonna sit like that.
Look. This side. That side. That side. That side.
Is there sex stuff in it?
Yeah.
Oh, those minions.
What kind of insurgents are we? We're like ISIS? Like, so.
No, you're like special forces, and he's a sleeper agent.
But everything's treated like so.
But everything just
it just
happens. There's not really a motivation.
This might as
for it.
well
Just
happen.
Like, let's just do it. Okay. Cam, there might be too much going on in your face.
Just calm down a little.
What?
Assault rifles still have hammers.
Their hands. They are hands.
Alright, and you flip around. Right there.
Head's right in the way. Try and aim off to the side so that I can see you pointing.
Oh,
at
that
it.
looks cool.
I'm experimenting right now, and it just looks good. Okay. Because I never got a chance to shoot this while I was in school, so I was like, I'm gonna do it now.
Everyone always had ideas they wanted to do,
Yeah.
but they didn't have time because of school.
You're seeing Hobby dead. So it's like you peek, Hobby dies, and then you look over, and then you break cover.
Yeah.
Speed.
One papa, take two. I don't know why I said it like that.
One papa.
May I have another?
May I have another papa?
No.
You're gonna shoot the frying pan and kill yourself? No. We have too many people. We have too many people killing themselves in this. A pillow?
Pillow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got shot. I'm gonna die again later too.
Pillow.
Yeah, we all do eventually.
Here's a word to the wise, okay?
Uh-huh.
Don't drink water. Everyone who's drank water has died.
Add the sounds in post. You just me up. We'll just beep it out, whatever.
Beat me up. I hope they just don't like have me standing, like having to hang there for a really long time. Because before it's like I have no idea how long I'm going to be standing.
Where are you jumping from?
I'm just jumping from up there.
Yeah, Colby dancing. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Dry hump in the air, really. It's not dancing. I wouldn't call it dancing.
Make sure you duck, please. Ooh, that was close. You almost ducked right into the punch. Because he's throwing right in front of you and you ducked forward. When he's choking you out, just have here. Don't worry about moving too much. Just worry about your reaction. He should get back in the frame, look over at the sniper.
Yeah.
But then who cuts to reloading. Extender. So you put it in front of the lens, and it multiplies the length.
Jesus Christ. Man, of all people, I didn't expect Matt to go up there.
What? No, that's more work.
It's less. It's far less.
Wait, this would be way less work.
Yeah.
It's fun when you don't have to do this.
Got it?
Yep. Doing this in one take.
We got one take.
Almost dropped.
It was supposed to be 2 days originally. It was supposed to be Saturday and a Sunday. And we got it all done within a Saturday, and now we can go enjoy our 4th of July weekend.
It's because he's really bad at scheduling.
Yeah.
What'd you do to prep for this short?
Did a couple push-ups. Can we do highlights and lowlights? It kind of gives us a thing to work on for the next shoot and something that we really enjoyed about this shoot. The highlight of this shoot was shooting all the shooting the slow-mo to the action stuff. It looks really like choppy and really gritty, and I really love that feeling. It's something I've never done before, so I'm really happy that I got to explore that. My low light for the shoot, probably carrying around that shoulder mount for the entire day. It killed me inside because I'm a weakling, and I know that I need to go to the gym now.
My highlight was I had fun and I feel free. My low light was waiting 2 hours in the sun watching you guys act out your scenes, and I'm just there waiting in the sun. But it was all fun.
My highlight was telling Cameron very terrible things in the name of America. It's a good thing you told me not to yell now, because I totally would have.
You ever been gangbanged by America?
Cameron, you better hope I don't die first, because Goldie's got big head.
Cameron, you ever been face by Hollow Points?
Richard.
My highlight, I think running around in here was like my favorite part, like the shot that was in the kitchen itself. But my low light, I think having to jump off of the balcony, like having to hold on the balcony and like jump down repeatedly, because my shoulder does not like me for that.
My highlight would be being able to see the action sequence come together.
That looks really good.
That looks really great. And stuff, I always really enjoy watching those things kind of work together and flow. That's first one for me where I did fight choreography and nobody got punched in the face this time. So that's a major highlight. For low light, I don't know, I just got a splitting headache halfway through the shoot, so that kind of sucked. So that's a wrap on Handguns. And so now comes the fun part where we just have to edit it all together, throw some VFX in there, color correct, and sound design, and boom, there we go. We have our first short for Night Owl. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, and yeah, and you can see what we're doing up next.